Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. Are you currently having problems with your MoneyGram app not working and you want to be able to fix this? Well then this video is going to be perfect for you because actually me myself I had the exact same problem before and I'm going to show you how I was able to fix it. So the first step is going to be for you to actually exit your MoneyGram app and instead we're going to open up our settings app. So go into your settings app. Now just scroll down a little bit and then you're going to click on general. So click on general and here as you can see, because then it should now take you to this page. Scroll down just a little bit and then click on storage in here as you can see. And by the way, if you are using an Android phone, because you can see I'm using an iPhone, but if you are using an Android, well then don't worry because you can actually just do the exact same thing. Just go into your Android settings and then also find storage after that. And then you should be taken to a page similar to this. Scroll down now in here and then we're going to find the MoneyGram app. So I'm just going to keep scrolling down until I can find it. So just a second, I think it actually is, oh here it is, perfectly. So as you can see, MoneyGram. What I'm going to do on this page is to just click on upload app and then once again click on upload app. And here as you can see, just going to load and I'm going to click on the blue button here once again. Now what you're going to do, you're just simply going to wait for it to actually automatically update to the latest version. So wait and then try again and see if that actually fixed this problem for you, because this fixed it for me. But if it still is not working for you even after you have automatically updated your app and it still is not working, well it might be that you either have bad connection on your phone right now or that the app itself is just having troubles right now and we need to wait for them to actually fix it. So that could also be the issue, just so you know. But basically I hope that this video will be able to fix this problem for you.